Good morning dear students, respected viewers and honorable guardians. Welcome to online class brought to you by Aliazam School and College, Munshirat, Fulgaji, Feni. Dear students, I know all of you are doing great and studying at home, doing online class minutely and do your homework regularly. You know, due to COVID-19 pandemic, government has taken a decision to close down all the educational institutions of the country. That's why you can prevent transmission. Dear students of class 10, I have a new class for you. Before going to our class, let me introduce myself. I'm Shimarani Bonik and I have been working as a teacher of English in Aliazam School and College. The students of class 10, this class is made for you. Let's move on to our today's class. Can you guess something about the sentences? Our today's class based on these sentences. Try to guess. Okay, thank you. You have rightly guessed that our today's topic's name is voice. This is changing sentence. Learning outcomes. After completing the lesson, you will be able to tell about the voice, tell the meaning of the new words, solve the problem of the voice. Dear students, when reading the sentences, you may find new words that the meaning of the new words may not be known to you. That's why these arrangements. Now we will learn the meaning of the new words. Watch, its verb, meaning observe, survey, etc. Next sentence with the word watch. They are watching television. The picture denotes that. Collect, its verb, meaning gather, assemble, pile up, etc. Next sentence with the word collect. I am fond of collecting stamps. This is the picture of collecting stamp. Decorate, its verb, meaning adorn, garnish, furnish, etc. Next sentence with the word decorate. She is decorating the mini cake. In this picture, the girl is decorating the mini cake. Dear students, this is our today's topics, voice. First of all, we have to know what is voice. Voice is the form of the verb which shows whether the subject does the work or something done to it. Dear students, classification of voice. There are two types of voice. They are active voice and passive voice. Now we will learn about active voice and passive voice. Active voice expresses the performance of the subject. Example, you do the work. Here, you is the subject and doer of the active voice. Do is a verb and the work is the object of the active voice. Passive voice. Passive voice expresses an action performed upon the subject. For example, the work is done by you. The work was the object of the active voice. And in passive voice, the work becomes the subject of the passive voice. The work is third person, that's why here we use is. Then done. It is the third form or verb 3 or past participle of the verb do. Then we have to use preposition by, and after that we use the object of the subject you. Dear students, it is noted that use nominative and objective form are same. Let's see how to change the voice. Dear students, be attentive. Again, you do the work. Active voice. Here, you is the subject and doer of the active voice. Do is a verb and the work is the object of the active voice. Its passive voice is the work is done by you. The work was the object of the active voice. And the work becomes the subject of the passive voice. The work is third person, that's why here we use is. Then done. It is the third form or verb 3 or past participle of the verb do. then we have to use by, its preposition, and after that we use the object of the subject you. Dear students, it is noted that use nominative and objective form are same. Number B, the man watches the house. The house is watched by the man. Here, the man is the doer and subject of the active voice. Watch is verb and the house is the object of the active voice. Now passive voice. The house is watched by the man. But it was the object of the active voice. The object of the active voice will be the subject of the passive voice. That's why it becomes the subject of the passive voice. The house is singular number. That's why its verb will be is. Here watched is the past participle or verb 3 or third form of the watch verb. Then we use by. It is the common preposition and the man becomes the object of the passive voice. Number C, we are collecting stamps. Its passive voice, stamps are being collected by us. It is present continuous tense. You know that the structure of present continuous tense, subject plus am is are plus main verb plus ing plus extension or object. Stamps becomes the subject of the passive voice. Stamps plural number. That's why we use are. Then being. The students collect plus ing equal to collecting. For this ing we have to write being in passive voice, then collected. It is the third form or verb 3 or past participle of the main verb collect. Then we use preposition by and we have to write as the objective form of the nominative pronoun we. Number D, we have decorated the house. Its passive voice, the house has been decorated by us. The house has dear students, the active voice has been written in present perfect tense. The structure of present perfect tense, subject plus have or has plus past participle of the main verb plus extension. But the structure of the present perfect tenses voice, passive voice is objects subjective form plus have been or has been plus past participle or verb 3 of the main verb plus by plus objective form of the subject we. Here as is the objective form of the subject we. That's why its passive voice is the house has been decorated by us. I supported Tanish. Tanish was supported by me. The active voice has been written in past indefinite tense. Its structure subject plus past form of the verb plus extension. But its structure of the passive voice is the subject subjective form of the object Tanish plus was or were plus the past participle of the main verb support plus by preposition plus the objective form of the subject I, that means me. Now its passive voice is Tanish was supported by me. Now F, he will invite Guddu. Its passive voice Guddu will be invited by him. The active voice has been written in future indefinite tense. You know its structure is subject plus shall or will plus present form of the main verb plus extension. Now the structure of the future indefinite tenses voice is the subjective form of the subject Guddu plus will be because Guddu is a third person plus past participle of the main verb invited plus by plus objective form of the subject him. Its passive voice is Guddu will be invited by him. Now F number, we shall be playing cricket. Cricket will be being played by us. Cricket will be being played by us. The active voice has been written in future continuous tense. Its structure subject plus shall be or will be plus main verb plus ing plus extension. But the structure of the passive voice is the subjective form of object cricket plus will be being. If you find ing in active voice, then you have to write being in passive voice, and it is the symbol of continuous tense plus present participle of the main verb play, that means played. You know, plays past participle or verb 3 form is played plus by its preposition plus the objective form of the, here it is a nominative pronoun, and in passive voice its objective form is us. That means we becomes us. Now H. She might finish the book. Its passive voice, the book might be finished by her. Dear students, the book, it was the object of the active voice. Now it is the subject of the passive voice according to rules. Might, its modal. That's why there is no change of might. You can use be after that. That means might be. And finished, it is the past participle or verb 3 form of the verb finish plus by its preposition. Then you have to use her. It is the objective form of the subject, she. Dear students, you have to practice at home. I know you better understand. Evaluation. What we have learned today? Tell me. What is voice? Try to say. Thank you, you are right. Number 2. Anyone tell me how many kinds of voice? Yes, you are also right. Thanks again. Number 3. What is the meaning of the word watch? Okay, thank you. Number 4. Change to active voice into passive from today's chart. Thank you very much. It's right. Dear students, Now I am going to give you a homework. Today's homework is another change the voice. Dear students, change the voice into passive. I am going to read out the sentences for your better understanding. Number A, he is cooking food. Number B, I accepted the proposal. Number C, he may do the work. D, you can take the money. Number E, they have finished the work. And last one, number 8, he was reading a book. Dear students, now we are at the end of our today's session. I hope you enjoyed the class. Don't forget to learn. Wear mask when going out. Stay home, stay safe, because you are our future Bangladesh. Goodbye, good luck, and thank you.